What are these little gems hiding away in my freezer? They are breakfast protein bars. Women, as we get older, we cannot start our day with those high carb foods. We need healthy proteins and fats to support our gut and our brain, and these are a perfect choice. In a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of nut or seed butter, any kind. I'm using 3/4 cup macadamia nut butter, 3/4 cup sunflower butter, and 1/2 cup of tahini. Then add 2 teaspoons vanilla, 1/2 cup monk fruit allulose, a cup of collagen or bone broth powder, 1/2 cup MCT oil powder, 1/4 cup chopped walnuts, 1/4 cup hemp seed, pinch salt, and then our essential oils. So good for improving your gut and your brain. 6 drops each wild orange, lemon, and ginger. And that's about it. We are going to stir this together until it's well combined. And then we are going to put it in our dish to put it in the freezer. It's just nice and thick. I like to press it out with my hands. And so it's nice and smooth. You can see it's still soft. I do like to cut it first, because you will want to know where to cut it once it's frozen, because now it's going to be a lot harder. And once you have that cut again, then we are going to remove these bars one at a time and wrap them in parchment paper and put them in the freezer. Aren't these simple? Actually, improving your gut and brain is pretty simple. It's all about what you put in your gut each and every day, your foods and your drinks. And as long as you can improve that, you can improve your gut and brain as well. As a health coach, I help people best when starting with a free online health assessment. So if I can help you, please go to the comments below and click to get started. Also ask your questions. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.